Good day, YouTubers. Walter here. A couple of things. I worked on my zero-turn lawnmower yesterday. We're on my old GoPro, and show you what I'm using for power for my GoPro. Got this battery pack hooked up to it. It's the only way I get more life out of this camera. The battery and the camera built in keeps timing out on me. My new accessories will be here tomorrow for my new GoPro, but I spent a lot of time working on this lawnmower yesterday. I'll do a look around when I get the camera off the thing. We're going to go out and feed the camera. We're going to go out and check the trail cameras. But on my lawnmower here, yesterday I changed the fin belt on the deck. I put a new idler pulley on it. I jacked it up out here and cleaned all up under the deck with a power washer. There was like 2 inches of grass and junk up under there that need cleaning out. Greased the grease fittings that I could find. Power washed the machine. It's looking downright good. It's looking kind of cloudy. Might be some rain this afternoon. I'll do a look around on the lawnmower here before I shut off the camera. Since I got it mounted on the mower already, I don't want to pull it down right this second. Has disrespected my trail camera. Something fierce over here. Must have been sitting on top of that post. I haven't checked this camera in 2 or 3 days, so the battery could be dead. We're going to find out in a minute. Yeah, some dirty bird has disrespected my trail camera. Might do a little weeding on my tomato plants for a little while here this afternoon. I've already got some of it done. You know, I sure had to fight with this thing yesterday to get that fin belt on. Alright, my friends, I've been weed eating my tomatoes and cutting suckers. We'll have to look at what day it was I planted these, but look at them 3 little tomatoes growing on there. Got a couple going over there. These plants were eat up with suckers. I had to cut a bunch of limbs off of them. But I've sat here for an hour this afternoon, weed eating around my mulch. I'll get the electric weed trimmer to get in between the plants, but I had to get the weeds that were coming up around the roots. My tomato plants are looking Jim Dandy. I haven't watered them today, but it's starting to rain, so I think I'll just hold off on that. Maybe they'll get a healthy rain tonight. Rain will help plant tomatoes better than any store-bought water. While I'm at it, let's look at the clean lawnmower. You won't see it too clean too often. Yeah, that fin belt turned into a booger bear to get on there yesterday. I feel like there ought to be more than 4 grease fittings on here, but I can't find any more. I don't see any down in there. I almost bet I've left off some though. Anywho, we're going to call it a day. I've done my little share of gardening today. Appreciate you tuning in. It's Pwalpar saying y'all have a good day.